Hey you! It's Boxycharm time. If you want to see what I received in my May base Boxycharm box, then keep watching. If you are new here, first, welcome. Second, subscribe. Third, Boxycharm is a monthly subscription service that you can cancel at any time. Plans start at $25 a month and go up from there. I do the base box, which is the $25 a month plan. I get a box full of full-size products that retails for over $125, and it's amazing. It's great for those of us who are new to makeup, hi, and don't want to spend a lot of money on trying new things. That's me too. Hi. And it's just a lot of fun if you like surprises. I don't like surprises. There is supposed to be a card in these boxes that tell you about the products you received and the prices. We're going at about a 30% rate with me and cards. So I figured there wouldn't be a card in this box. I did already open it up so I could get the prices on the products in the box. As soon as I opened this month's box, there was definitely a fragrance. It wasn't bad. I wasn't sure what it was, but it was the Daily Concepts Shampoo Bar. This retails for $24 and is a perfect example of why I like Boxycharm, because I would never, and I mean never, pay $24 for this. Smells lovely. My husband's going to try it out and see what he thinks about it, and I'll let you know. Next up is the Ayam makeup remover wipes. There are 25 in a package, and this retails for $17. I also received the Violet Voss Essentials eyeshadow palette, which if you stick around, I will be doing an eye look with that in just a few. I did do a little bit of research, and this is a palette. I'm not even sure if it was supposed to be a variation in this month's box. I know a lot of Boxycharmers received this back in September of last year, which is fine. I'm sure as the longer I do this, I will probably see duplicates, which is great, because if it's something that I like, then I've gotten another one, or if it's something that I maybe didn't like or won't use, then I can give them to you guys. Speaking of giving stuff away, the next item, which I will be giving to one of you guys, is the Pretty Vulgar eyeshadow primer, which is $22. The reason I'm giving this away, I have the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer, which I purchased a few weeks back during Ulta's 21-day sale that they have, and I'm pretty sure I will probably never use it all. And last but not least is the Glam Glow Berry Recovery Probiotic Mask. I did use this. I followed the directions, which read apply an even layer to clean skin, leave on for 10 minutes, tissue off, or you can rub in any excess, or if you want to wipe off with water, you can. I did all that. After about 2 minutes, my face was on fire. I have never had a reaction to any skincare products that I have been using, and I have been using and testing quite a few these last couple months. I got on Sephora's website, and there were some reviews that said I don't have sensitive skin, but this really irritated it. So I'm not sure. I guess they use a lot of artificial dyes and fragrances in their products, which I wouldn't know because there are no ingredients listed on this package, which I thought was really interesting. And I think legally all companies have to put on their packaging is what it is and how much product I believe is in there. And I think legally that is about it. Obviously, I was able to find all of the ingredients online. I don't know what exactly in there reacted to my skin. I'm a glutton for punishment, so I will probably try this again and just see if maybe it was that day for some reason. I don't know, but I hope you work better next time. All right, next I am going to be doing an eye look with this Violet Voss Essentials palette. This retailed for $29. I don't think I told you that. And I love the names. Pink, cinnamon, black, gold, sand. Like, why put, we don't need to put a ton of thought into these names, right? So I already have my foundation and blush and concealer and all that jazz. I am only going to be showing you guys an eye look that I create. So let's see what I come up with. So here is my finished eyeshadow look with the Violet Voss Essentials eyeshadow palette. I love the pink. That's called pink. It's so sparkly and cream in the inner corner. I like it. Went ahead and did my eyeliner and mascara. And also I just wanted to share real quick my favorite lip combo right now is the Wet n Wild Perfect Pout Gel Lip Liner in Bear to Comment. And then the NYX Butter Gloss in Bit of Honey. I love NYX Butter Gloss. It is, I'm gonna have to order some more of that. As always, I will link down below everything that I've used on my face in case there's something you see that you like. I will also be linking my Boxycharm link to go check out Boxycharm. There's no commitment. You can cancel anytime. They usually have a free gift for you if it's your first time subscribing. I have gotten more than my money's worth in every single box that I have received. So I definitely think it's worth it. So click on that link down below if you'd like to give Boxycharm a try. I did say I would be giving away this pretty Vulgar eyeshadow primer valued at $22. If you would like to win this, two things. Make sure you're subscribed and comment down below. How about you just let me know if you have Boxycharm, if you've gotten something in it that you've really liked, if you've thought about trying it, but you don't want to spend the money, or maybe you have no interest in trying it and you just want some free stuff. Judgment-free zone here, remember? So I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you in my next one. Love you, bye. Well, that was all over the place. I can't do it.